I'm going to show you how to download the new ChatGPT-4o on your desktop in a few minutes, which gives access to ChatGPT-4o and their new voice feature. First, be sure not to download it from the Apple App Store since the official version can't be found there. There's going to be a bunch of ChatGPT-like apps, but none of them are the real one. And I honestly wouldn't suggest trying any of those unless you've done your proper research first. So to get access to the ChatGPT desktop app, all you have to do is go to the website, go ahead and log in or sign up with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. So once you're logged in, you'll get a message that looks like this on the screen. So currently ChatGPT is available for Mac OS only. So the desktop app is not available on Windows yet. But being that OpenAI and Microsoft kind of got a thing going on, a partnership, I can see the ChatGPT desktop app coming to Windows computers eventually. But if that image doesn't pop up for you, there's also another option. You'll go to your logo or settings on the right, and then you'll see an option to download the Mac OS app. And once you click that, the installer will start downloading. Drag it to the applications folder, double click, open it up, give the Mac the permissions if it asks, and there you go, that easy. Options to continue with Google, log in with email, or sign in with another source. So we're now logged into the ChatGPT desktop app for Mac. So once you get in, there's going to be a cool new feature that pops up. Basically an option for a shortcut on your Mac to get quick access to ChatGPT at any time. So you'd hit Option and space to launch the ChatGPT. So once you get into the ChatGPT desktop app, you'll be met with some of the basic features. You got your sidebar, your GPT collection. As you can see, it defaulted to the 4o version. So you still get access to ChatGPT-4, 3.5, DALL-E, and the ChatGPT store. Here you have the option to upload a file, upload photos, screenshots, take photos. By the way, if you take a screenshot, you could do the entire screen, or if an app is open, you could just screenshot what's open on that app. And I believe there's a feature coming for ChatGPT where it can actually see your screen in real time. So if you go to the right and hit that headphone option, you'll be given a choice of what voice you want to use with ChatGPT. So basically you can have spoken conversations with ChatGPT without having to look at the screen. The language should be auto-detected, but you can specify the specific language you want to use in the settings. So I'm going to choose a voice. Let's see.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
That thing came out the gate ready for a conversation. Jupiter?
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
Ember?
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
And Cove.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
And there you go. Access to ChatGPT-4o and all its new features. So if you're feeling this, go ahead and like and subscribe for more tech and AI news.